Let me give you just one more example, because I know there might be some of you already feeling, oh, Daddy, get on with the sermon. We already got the point. That's the trouble with you. You're in a hurry. You don't want to know details. My God is not like a microwave oven that you say, hurry up, hurry up. Details. If you want to succeed, details. Take just one more example. 2 Kings chapter 4, from verse 1 to 7. 2 Kings 4, from verse 1 to 7. The widow of the son of the prophet came, asking for help. The man of God said, number 1, go. Don't stay with me here. Go. Go back to your house. 2, borrow vessels. 3, empty vessels. Not just vessels, empty ones. 4, make sure you borrow many. Many. 5, shut the door on you and your children. Details. There are some miracles that must happen when nobody is watching. There are some miracles that are private to you. As we will learn later on, there are some testimonies you don't share until they are complete. Shut the door on you and your children. There's something God wants to do for you alone. Then pour out the oil into the empty vessels. Details. And then, detail number 7, set aside that which is full. God is a God of details.